guys! Hello! Welcome! So in today's video is going to be a decorate and clean with me. We just bought our Christmas tree last night and now I'm excited, and also JR is excited to decorate the tree to surprise Anya. We will not be like decorating the whole house, just the downstairs living room, our formal area. So just stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Let's go.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So this is what the tree looks like. I spread it as much as I can, but as you can see, this is my first time doing this because this is our first artificial tree. We usually have small but real Christmas trees. And now JR is setting up the train, which I told you before that is a great deal because it's only $10. And these are my decor from different stores. Okay.
Hey, Mom. What's the latest? I'm excited about Sprint's new unlimited military plan.
Maybe I'll just fluff it a little bit and then we'll go to the ornaments. So while JR is setting up the North Pole Express, I'll show you some of my ornaments. Most of our ornaments came from 99-cent store and Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So this I just bought earlier from 99-cent store. I got 6. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. And these are all from 99 cents on the store. And I think that's it for the ornaments. So I'll just wait for JR to finish the tray and we'll do the tree.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Dup da da da. Dup dup da 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 da. Dup da da da. Dup da da da. Dup da 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 da. Dup da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Start up, baby. You'll be alright, 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 alright. Okay, okay, okay. I'll be okay. Alright, 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 alright. Okay, okay,
Okay, so I didn't put all of the round ornaments that I bought from Hobby Lobby to the tree because I'm thinking I might use it in our staircase or somewhere else, but we'll see. I just put like 12 like 18 pieces, but we'll see. And then this is one of the great finds that I saw at Dollar Tree. It's motion activated. I might buy some more. See, just have to turn it on. I might buy. They have silver and they have gold. I purchased silver, so let's put it in the tree. tried putting this garland and I think it looks nice. I think I need to buy like 2 or 1 more, just to spread it out because I only have 2. And I didn't plan on putting it on the tree, but I think this looks nice. So what do you guys think? So now, after the tree, this isn't finished, but because we don't really have the topper yet, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And I'm really liking it so far. So next thing that I'm going to do will be this area. So I'm going to put the tree here, this tree that we bought, and then some drapes, and put something here and there with this. And then I'm planning to put like the first family here, but I don't have one yet, so I can show you. So that's it. Let's get this started.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. At the crack of dawn, I imagine you waiting by my doorstep. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head.
Girl, you be my love, you be my other half. That's real. Know that I be missing you when we're apart. Yeah. Felt for you the second I laid eyes on you. I believe it was fate, meeting you was written in the stars. Yeah, it's real.
Girl, you be my one, you be my only.
Trust.
Promise that I'll never leave you lonely.
Never.
Said you be my lover and my homie.
Shit.
So I'ma keep it real with you always.
Said I'ma be there whenever you need me. Anything you want, I'll get it, call me Genie. You were the one when you said you would ride for a brother, no matter the weather, and you never leave me.
Baby, let us fly away without no delay. So when the sun be shining, we can take it easy. Just me and you and some incredible scenery. Yeah. In the night, making love, I know you feel me. In the night, we making love, I know you feel me. Before I be without you, baby, it kills me. Yo, I be looking for, I'm giving you the room, babe. Just say the word, and baby, by your side, I won't be. I was feeling empty, but now you feel me.
our video and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So see you on our next one. Happy holidays!